Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to schedule a delivery on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official grubhub.com website right here and log into your account, or if you're on your mobile, go ahead and open up the application. So after you're logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Grubhub, where you can see all the restaurants that you can order from. So as you can see, this is the main page. If you're on mobile, it's going to look like something like this, a bit different. All of your options are going to be at the bottom of the screen, but it's the same thing. So guys, now the first thing we have to do to be able to schedule a delivery is to find the restaurant that we want to deliver from. So let's go ahead and select this restaurant right here. Let's say this is the restaurant. And now guys, this will take us to this page where we can go ahead and select what we want to order. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to select when we want the order to come. So this is how to schedule the delivery. And to do that, we have to go ahead and click the pre-order button right here. So guys, go ahead and click on the pre-order button, and this will now enable you to select when you want the order. So go ahead and select this option right here that says ASAP, and this will now open up this new menu where you can schedule the order. You can either select today or later time, or maybe sometime later. I'm going to select tomorrow or Monday, let's say at 11 a.m. and then I'm going to select delivery after I have confirmed this is the date, and just click on update. And now as you can see, we have scheduled the delivery for tomorrow at 11 a.m. and now you can just go ahead and order whatever you want, add it to your bag and go to checkout and confirm it, and it's going to go ahead and be delivered tomorrow at 11 a.m. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.